Since 1939, Diamond Wire Spring Company has been a manufacturer of custom and stock precision springs and wire forms. Our goal is to provide the best service and assist you with any of your spring or wire form needs. Our customers tell us that they appreciate the flexibility of being able to order from a large stock of inventory to handle rush and price-sensitive orders, or work with our experienced engineers for custom designs that meet their exact specifications. Our specialized equipment allows us to uniquely manufacture compression, extension, shaped wire, die, and torsion springs in large or small wire sizes beyond the typical spring companies. And with multiple locations across the U.S., we can meet your needs quickly and at a competitive cost. We've built a strong reputation over the past 80 years for reliability, customer-friendly service, and a willingness to take on specialty orders and design challenges. Please include us in your next inquiry.